Okay, I'm going to do a couple slices here while this is still wet. I've got a mark here and a mark here that I can register where this needs to be sliced. And I like to use scraper blades because they have a little bit of a burr on them, so they grab a little bit better. Okay, I think I've got that cut through. So a piece of banding will go right against that edge. I can cut this end as well. I've got markings. Okay. Now, for the outer edges here, I've got this set, this cutter, set at 15/16, which is where the banding goes. I'm trying to make sure that I hold that cutter slicer against the edge, and it doesn't track out away from the edge. I think I'm probably cut through, but I'm going to make sure with a second cut here. Okay. Now, I may just clear off some of this glue. Now, the dimension at the top, let me just check the dimension at the top, is 11/16. 11/16. So I need to reset the cutter for 11/16. right there. Let me check that. Yeah, 11/16, dead on. And I can turn this around. Is anything on here that's going to stop me? Okay. Okay. See if it's through. I think it's through. Just run it again just to make sure. Okay. I think I mentioned this is cypress, crotch cypress. And okay, so I'm going to let that sit now and check it later to make sure that this seam there aren't any bubbles in here, that the seam is flat and down tight. If I need to close that up a little bit, all I do is put a little bit more hide glue on here, and I may use the hot iron to add some heat, and then use the veneer hammer also to stick it back down. But it looks like I've got it stuck pretty good all the way around. I'm not seeing any places where it's lifted up.